Hello and welcome to Genshops Product Training. In this session, we will walk through how to create a brand new product using Genshops AI-powered product creation tool called Genie. This method allows you to generate a complete product listing quickly and efficiently, using just a product image and a few basic inputs. To begin, navigate to the Products section in your Genshops dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all existing products in your store. To create a new product, simply click on Add New Product. At this point, you will see three different options for product creation. You can create a product manually, generate one using Genie AI, or import a product directly from a URL. In upcoming videos, we will cover each of these methods in detail. For today's demonstration, however, we will focus exclusively on creating a product using Genie. Let's start by understanding how Genie works. The AI generation process is primarily driven by the product image that you upload. Go ahead and upload a clear image of your product. Genie analyzes the image and uses it to automatically generate product details such as the name, description, and attributes. The only mandatory field when creating a product using Genie is the price. In this example, we are working with a US store, so we will enter a price of $90. If your store is based in another country, such as India or Mexico, you can simply enter the price in your local currency. Next, you have the option to add product sizes. This step is optional and can also be completed later. For this demo, we will add multiple sizes, such as small, medium, and large. The colors will be automatically detected by the AI, so we will allow Genie to handle that for now. Once these details are entered, click on Generate with AI. Within seconds, Genie generates the product name and URL. In this case, it suggests the name Urban Edge Leather Biker Jacket. At this stage, it is important to click Save, as the product will not be stored unless it is saved. You may notice that Genie sometimes detects multiple color variations based on the image. For demonstration purposes, this is perfectly fine. The system also assigns a default weight, which you can adjust later if needed. You can now add product tags such as new arrivals. These tags help with organization and visibility within your store. If you have collections already created, you may assign the product to them as well. By default, newly created products remain in draft mode until you choose to publish them. To view how the product looks on the storefront, click Preview. Since this is a demo store, it is password protected. However, you can see that the product has been successfully created with color options, a detailed AI-generated description, and a professional layout. And that's it. This is how you can quickly and easily create a complete product using Genie AI in Genshops. In the next video, we will explore how to edit and customize additional product features in more detail. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session.